Question 1, Part E. The point P, 1, 4, divides the line segment joining A, -1, 8, and B, x, y internally in the ratio 2 to 3. Find the coordinates of the point B. The point P divides interval AB in the ratio 2 to 3. That means distance AP and distance PB are in the ratio 2 to 3. Another way we can put that is that distance PB is 1.5 times bigger than distance AP. So there's multiple ways of answering this question. Now to get the coordinates x and y, we can consider the horizontal distances between A, P and B and the vertical distances between A, P and B separately, and then combine the result to get the coordinates of point B. So let's consider the horizontal distances between A, P and B such that they're in the ratio 2 to 3. Now the horizontal distance from A to P is equal to 2. Now we get that by considering the x coordinates of A and P. So from -1 to +1 is 2. Or in other words, 1 minus -1, so the difference between -1 and 1 is 2. Now to get the horizontal distance from point P to point B, we take the horizontal distance from A to P, which is 2. We divide that by 2 and then multiply it by 3 to apply the ratio, and we get 3. So to get the coordinate or the x coordinate of point B, we take this value here, so that's the distance from P to B in the horizontal dimension, and we add it to the x coordinate of point P, which is 1, so 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. We can repeat the process, but in the vertical dimension. So the vertical distance from A to P, so starting here and then dropping down to point P, is -4. So from 8 to 4, we can work that out by doing 4 minus 8, and we get -4. If this was a gradient question, that would be a -4. So the rise would be a negative rise, so it'll be a fall instead. So the vertical distance from P to B, we repeat what we did here. So we take -4, we divide it by 2, multiply it by 3, and we get -6. So the vertical fall from point P to point B is 6 units. So to get the y coordinate of point B, we take the y coordinate of point P and then subtract 6 from that, and we get -2. So combining these results, we get the coordinates of point B are 4, -2.